Hey everyone! I'm Quais, and I'm a microbiology student at UITM Kuala Pila. Today I want to break down something that's super important for anyone studying plants: plant necrosis. If you've ever noticed weird brown spots or dead patches on leaves, you've seen necrosis in action. So, what's really going on? First up, what is plant necrosis? In simple terms, necrosis is just a fancy way of saying tissue death. Instead of those lush, green leaves we all love, you get areas that look dark, dry, maybe even mushy or rotten. It's not random either. Necrosis usually means your plant is stressed out, either by disease, a nasty bacteria, or something in the environment. Now let's talk about the types of necrosis you might see out in the field, or even in your backyard. First, there are leaf spots. These are usually small, round dots that show up on leaves. Most of the time, they're caused by fungi or bacteria. If you see a plant with little brown or black spots, that's leaf spot necrosis in action. Next, we've got blight. Imagine a tomato plant that goes from healthy to totally wilted almost overnight. That's blight, rapid tissue death. An infamous example is late blight in potatoes, which caused the Irish potato famine. Literally history-changing stuff. Third, there's rot. This one's easy to spot. Think of a vegetable that turns soft, mushy, and smelly. That's rot necrosis. Soft rotten potatoes or carrots is a classic example. Now let's talk about scorch. Scorch looks like someone took a torch to the edges of the leaves. You'll see browning right along the borders. This usually happens when a plant gets too thirsty or if there's too much salt in the soil. Finally, canker. This one attacks the stems and branches, not the leaves. You'll see sunken, dead patches that can actually kill off whole sections of a plant if you're not careful. Let's check out a few quick real-world examples. First, pith necrosis in tomatoes. If you slice open the stem and see brown, dead tissue in the middle, that's pith necrosis, often from bacterial infection. Second, beet vascular necrosis. Cut open a beet, and if the veins are dark and discolored, that's vascular necrosis, meaning the disease is traveling through the plant's plumbing. Third, carrot virus Y. You'll see yellowing and necrotic edges on the carrot leaves. This viral infection can really hurt yield. And lastly, potato leaf roll virus. Here you'll find necrotic patches on the leaves and even the tubers themselves. Bad news for farmers. So why does this all matter? Because the earlier you spot necrosis, the better you can protect your crops and boost your harvest. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, a little observation goes a long way in keeping your plants healthy.